Okay, folks, let's start by cooking the pork cheeks. Let's add a bit of salt. Let's add our mushrooms. We're gonna add 1 glass of white wine. Mix it up a bit with the wine. Lovely. The wine infuse the meat and the mushrooms. We're gonna add chopped tomatoes, half a teaspoon of paprika, an envelope of ground saffron, half an envelope of paella mix. Look at those colors. Fantastic, isn't it? Delicious. Let's add 300 grams of paella rice, because we're making 3 portions. And let's add 900 milliliters of beef stock. And let that paella boil. Let's give it a bit of a shake. Our rice is about 50%, so we have a bit to go. Okay, I don't like my paellas too dry, so I'm gonna turn it off now. Look at that beautiful paella. I'm gonna serve it on a plate now so that you can see what it would look like if you were about to eat it. Let's serve the pork cheeks paella. Mushrooms, pork cheeks. This smells like heaven. There you have it. A proper plate of pork cheeks paella. Alright guys, this is all for today. Thank you for being there. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share with your friends. This is Jay signing off. See you soon.